Good morning. A lot of us actually underestimate the skills of listening and reading. These are receptive skills by which we receive information from outside world and we build our assessment, judgment, evaluation and perception of the world. So without listening and without active reading, because a lot of people actually think that reading is passive, but on the contrary, it's an active skill. Because it's an active skill, just like listening, it should be emphasized. So never underestimate the power of listening and reading. Actually, some authors have written a lot of publications before on the importance of reading, some of which have emphasized reading by saying the following. Reading and listening are thought of a receiving communication for someone who's actively engaged in giving or sending it. The mistake here is to suppose that receiving communication is like receiving a blow or a legacy or a judgment from the court. On the contrary, the reader or the listener is much more like the catcher in a game of baseball. So never underestimate the value and importance of reading and listening. Be an active reader and active listener. That is how you are going to improve your skills accordingly. Have a wonderful day.